MI6 officer Christopher Steele left his home in suburban London earlier this week and hasn't been seen publicly since. No one showed up for work this morning at the offices of Orbis, a private intelligence consultancy Steele co-owns in central London. Steele's research, which alleges that the Kremlin has blackmail-worthy information on the president-elect, set off a firestorm of news coverage. Trump denied the allegations in the 35-page dossier. Steele began his investigation in the heart of political opposition during the GOP primary. The work was bold and high risk in that it implicated both Trump and the Kremlin. A source close to Steele told the Telegraph newspaper he is, quote, terrified for his and his family's safety. Frank Langton, NPR News, London.
The retailer L.L. Bean finds itself in the middle of a political dispute likely amplified after President-elect Trump used Twitter today to thank Linda Bean for donating to his